Welcome to Know It All, a place to connect with researchers to answer all questions on health, science, technology, business, culture, and more. This episode on What Will Web3 Impact in the Future was created for you by Rain. In this topic, Know It All will answer: what will Web3's impact be on? O social media. O digital content, and O dispute resolution. What is an interplanetary file system? The development of Web3 technologies has the potential to change many aspects of our lives, both online and offline. Here are just a few examples of how Web3 could potentially impact our world. Web3's impact on social media. Social media networks could become more decentralized, giving users more control over their data and privacy settings. Instead of being owned by large corporations, social media platforms built on Web3 technology would be run by communities or individuals who have a vested interest in keeping them safe and secure. This would give users greater peace of mind when it comes to sharing personal information online. Web3 impact on digital content. The Web3 Foundation's mission is to promote and support the development and adoption of decentralized technologies, such as the Interplanetary File System, IPFS, and Ethereum. These technologies enable a more free, open, and accessible Internet. Web3-based applications are already starting to have an impact on digital content. For example, IPFS is being used to store large amounts of data in a distributed manner, making it more resilient to censorship and attacks. And Ethereum smart contracts are being used to create new ways of distributing content or managing rights, such as with Ujo Music. Looking ahead, it is likely that Web3 will have an even bigger impact on digital content. In particular, decentralization can help reduce some of the power imbalances that exist within the current online ecosystem, whereby a few central platforms control much of what users see and do online. Decentralization can also help protect user privacy better than centralized systems, and finally, it has the potential to make monetizing digital content easier for creators through mechanisms like micropayments or tipping/subscriptions models built into protocols like IPFS/Filecoin or Swarm City respectively. What is an interplanetary file system? The Interplanetary File System, IPFS, is a protocol and peer-to-peer network designed to create a distributed file system that can be used to store and share data in a decentralized manner. IPFS was initially created by Protocol Labs, with the goal of making it the permanent web. The idea is that users can add files to the IPFS network, which are then accessible via unique hashes. These hashes can be used as addresses, meaning that users can access files without needing to know their location. In addition, because each file is stored on multiple nodes across the network, there is no single point of failure. How does IPFS work? When you add a file to IPFS, it goes through several steps. Hashing, a cryptographic hash function, is used in order to generate a unique identifier for your file. This ensures that your content cannot be modified without changing its address, hash. Content addressing. Once your content has been hashed, it is addressed using this hash, instead of using its location. This means that anyone who wants access to your content only needs to know its address, they don't need any other information about where it is located. Web3 impact on dispute resolution. One potential impact of Web3 on dispute resolution is that it could create new opportunities for resolving disputes through smart contracts. For example, if two parties agree to use a smart contract to resolve their dispute, they can program the contract in such a way that it automatically renders a decision based on certain conditions being met. This would take away the need for human intervention in the dispute resolution process, potentially making it faster and more efficient. In addition, because smart contracts are immutable and transparently stored on a blockchain, they could provide an auditable record of any agreement reached between parties, something which may be useful in preventing or resolving future disputes. Thank you for listening. For more answers to questions on health, science, technology, business, culture, and more, don't forget to subscribe to Know It All.